Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve cursor blinking in Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7 computer. I recommend you clean your mouse. Sometimes that or dust can interfere with the mouse sensor. Try cleaning the mouse to see if that helps. And let's fix that guys. Go to search menu, start search menu and type msconfig. Here comes system configuration, run as administrator, click on it. You want to click normal start, load all device driver and services. Want to click it and want to apply and OK. Exit without restart. You may need to restart your computer to apply these changes before restarting. Save and open file and close all programs. Want to select this restart. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.